Hello students, I Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda District, Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune, and the SYBC choice based credit system syllabus is to be implemented from academic year 220 to 221. Today, I discuss about the paper or on the paper of the paper taxonomy of angiosperms and plant ecology. This paper carry 2 credit points. Paper first semester third BO 231, course code BO 231. This is my video lecture, is only for education purpose of SYBC students. Today, we learn binomial nomenclature. In this chapter, there is sub-article or article of ranks and ending of taxa. Ranks and ending of taxa. The taxonomic groups of any rank will be referred as taxa. The taxonomic groups of any rank will be considered as or referred as or called as taxa, that is singular taxon. The basic taxon in the system of classification is the species, that is species is the lower group and kingdom is the higher group, that is kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision. The principal ranks of the system of classification is called, the principals ranks in the system is called category or hierarchy. Such ranks in the descending order, of the classification is called kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision, class, subclass, series, order, family, genus and lower group species. The ending of taxa or rank is given below. The ending of taxa or rank is given below. Kingdom Plantae, Plantae, that is ending of the taxa is AE. Subkingdom Spermatophyta, Spermatophyta, that is ending A. Division Phanerogamy, spelling of spermogamy PHANERO. GAMAE, that is ending AE. This is the ranks and ending of the taxa. Subdivision Angiospermy, ANGIO SPERMAE, that is ending AE. Class Dicotyledone or Monocotyledone, that is ending NAE. Subclass Polypetalae, Gamopetalae, Apetalae, that is ending of the taxon LAE. There is series Thalamiflorae, ending of the taxon RAE. Order Rosales, ROSALES, ALES is the ending of order. Family Solanaceae, SOLANACEAE, that is ending in the CEAE. Then genus, that is there is previous lecture you learn ending of the genus, ending of the species. These are ranks and ending of taxa, this is rank or ending of taxa names. Then next article of this chapter binomial nomenclature, type specimen and its types. What is type specimen? In a biology, type is a particular organ or specimen. In a biology, type is particular organ of a specimen or organism to which the scientific name of that organism is formally attached. That is Mangifera indica, holotype, paratype, leucotype, neotype, isotype. These are type specimen. In a botany, type is either specimen or an illustrations. In botanical nomenclature, type is the element in which names of taxon is permanently attached. That is name of the taxon is permanently attached. That is you learn ranks of ending. Specimen is real plant or dead plant kept in the shape Specimen means it is a real plant or dead plant that is in the herbarium, is kept in a shape. The names of different taxonomic groups are based on the type method by which certain representative of the graph of the group is source of the name for group. This representative is called nomenclature type or methodology is called typification. Type may be a correct name, that is Mangifera indica, Parthenium hysteroporus, Hibiscus rosa sinensis, Solanum tuberosum, then authority. Then kinds of types. The International Code of Nomenclature provides listing of the various kinds of types, that is holotype, paratype, isotype, leucotype and neotype. What is the holotype? Holotype is the name of the species or intraspecific taxon, is one specimen or illustration either A indicated by authors or nomenclature type, and B it is always simple or should be specimens. Then paratype, any specimen other than hola and isotype, any specimen other than holotype or isotype. Isotype means any duplicate specimen of holotype. Isotypes means any duplicate specimen of holotype. Leucotype means a specimen designated from the original material as this nomenclature type when there is no holotype specified. Original material, but there is no holotype is specified. This is called leucotype. Neotype means loss or missing of the material, but there is some parts are present in the specimen. This is the type specimen and its types of holotype, paratype, leucotype, isotype and neotype. Then what is the concept? What is the concept of typification? Typification is the process of prescribing. What is the concept of typification? Typification, definition, methods of nomenclature of type or methodology of type is called typification. Typification is the process of prescribing type. It is an important aspect of nomenclature. It is treated as one of the 6 principles of course. Typification involves designation of nomenclature type for name. Nomenclature type is a single herbarium specimen with one or more plant on it. That is herbarium specimen. There is one plant, that is Congress, another plant, Tradescantia, next plant, another plant, Cynodon, then Cynodactylon, then Acheranthus aspera, Alternanthera sessilis. These plants are stitched on herbarium sheets. The type method was adopted in 1930. This type method, that is holotype, leucotype, paratype, neotype, isotype, this type method was adopted in 1933 as a part of International Code of Botanical Nomenclature and established one of the type of one idea, one of the type one specimen idea, one of the type one specimen idea. That is take herbarium sheet, then stitch on plant or any wild plant, then classify these plants at the corner. There is one herbarium, one plant, wild plant. This is the concept of typification, and this idea was established in 1930 in the meeting or Congress meeting in 1930. It applies only to families and all the taxonomic grass. It applied only the family and all taxonomic ranks below it. That is at the right hand side. There is taxonomic rank. That is kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision up to lower group families. The type of name species is in specimen. The type of name species, that is holotype. The type of name of the genus is a species. Then genus, species, locality, vernacular names. The type name of family is a genus. The type name of the genus is a species. The type name of species is a specimen. The type name of genus is a species, and type name of family is the genus. The groups or family cannot be described without previous description of included species. It is important to that type specimen represents only a portion of the variability that usually exists in a taxon. This is the concept of typification, type specimen and its types, then ranks and ending of the taxa. The next point, single, double and multiple authority. Rules of author citation or single, double and multiple authority citation. What is the citation? In botanical nomenclature, author citing is important, or authors refers to the citing. That is, Mangifera indica, authority lin, L-I-N-N. That is, L-I-N is the citing of the author who described or who proposed or who described this plant. This is called a citation. Citation is single or citation is a double. Single citation, that is Mangifera indica, authority lin, that is single citation. Double citation, that is Anonas squamosa, Linus, is written in lin, L-I-N-N. This is single citation. But double citation, any taxon, that is double citation, Utricularia carysuri, Benth and Hooker, there is two scientists attached to the generic and specific name, two scientists, that is Bentham and Hooker. Rules of author citation. What is the rules of author citation? Names are cited in a abbreviated forms. Linus, L-I-N-N-A-E-U-S. This is a late name of the Linus. Linus means little. But at the abbreviated form, it write L-I-N-N or it write L. That is Mangifera indica Linus, name of the author, that is citation. But it is write in abbreviated form L-I-N-N and also abbreviated form L. The author citation indicates bibliography reference. If author citation A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. L is the highest or sequential manner. This author citation, Linus in 1735, first described or first cited Mangifera indica. This reference will be given in the bibliography. Then next point, if recognition of citation, name same, Utricularia, but author citation is Lin and Clarici. There is two scientists. This is not correct. This is confusion. Then these are two names reference to two. Single citation, one name. Double citation, two names. Bentham and Hooker. These are two scientists. In abbreviated form, Benth and Hook. Then what is multiple citation? If more than, what is multiple citation? If more than two scientists, written or gives citation, that is two scientists, more than two scientists, 3, 4, 5, 6. But first scientist give the if taxon is garden origin, then while citing the name it should be ascribed to Horty. When more than two authors are involved, the citation is normally restricted to the first author and it is followed by etal or ETAL or co-workers. That is Shinde and co-workers. Shinde first, they described, they authorized, but co-workers, that is name of the Shinde student, name of the Patil students, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then year, that is 224, 219, these are year. Then what is taxon or what is garden origin? Garden origin means the taxon is present in the garden, but this is described by scientists. Then there is a citation of Horty, H-O-R-T, Hart, and connected to the name of the author who published by an Gardenia, H-O-R-T, G-R-D. That is multiple authority. That is more than two scientists give the citation. That is simpler and co-workers. in 1930, Simpler and his co-workers in 1940. They described and they finalized the authority. This is the ranks and ending of taxonyms. The type, specimen and type. Ranks and ending of taxonym means classification with reasons, that is kingdom to lower group species. Then type, specimen and types. Type, specimen, that is holotype, paratype, leucotype, isotype, neotype. These are specimens or type specimen. Then typification, concept of typification. Then single and double and multiple authority. Single authority means one scientist, double means two scientists, that is Benjamin Hooker, and multiple means his co-workers. But main scientist give the first name. This is the double citation, and then multiple citation. These are binomial nomenclature and some rules, some ranks of the taxon. And today I will complete this chapter, or today this chapter is completed. Binomial nomenclature and credit first, paper first, semester third, paper first, credit first, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, that is families, binomial nomenclature, then the systems of classification, introduction of taxonomy. These 4 chapters are completed in the credit number first. Today this lecture is only for SY BSc student, and this is my video lecture for only education purpose for SY BSc students. Thank you.